Budget like mom. Budgeting is truly the turf of most mothers. Aside from the traditional role imposed on mothers is the one who budgets the family finances, mothers have the instincts and foresights on what might happen in the future. But how do moms really stretch the budget? She neither uses complicated formulas nor magic tricks but simple ingenuity and common sense. Peek in through mom's secrets in budgeting and learn. Role modeling is a good way to encourage attitude, especially towards money. 1. She clearly knows where all the money goes. Usually it goes to childcare apart from the housing, health insurance, food and clothing. It is unlikely for her to cut cost on her children. 2. She studies all options given to her in terms of childcare. Before she decides, she examines all aspects like safety, health and education. 3. To understand more, she talks to local childcare specialists and works out schedules with her employer for bonding time with kids. 4. For working moms, it is double the effort. They take care of the house and the children and at the same time work. She incorporates practical ways to accomplish both roles. Click link below for more information.